Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the Pinnacle in Montego Bay. Now this building is the tallest building in Jamaica and the English speaking Caribbean. It is currently at 27 floors. We can see that we're going to zoom in, but you can see the markings on the tower, and that one at the top is 26, and then there's a floor on top of that which would make it 27. It's going to be 28 floors when completed, so probably by the end of November they would have reached 28 floors. Now that structure to the left is a parking garage, and then the structure in the middle I should say, and then the structure on the left all the way at the end where you see the other crane, they are starting tower 2. This development is going to be 4 towers at 28 floors each. This tower we're looking at, the one that's at 27 floors, is a swallowtail, and this is going to be a residential tower. Alright guys, we're giving you a quick update to show you how far they have reached, and if you notice, the green mesh thing around it seems to have been blown off by the hurricane, but outside of that there was no damage to this building. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.